Class path entry questions. Right? So now in today's class, let us move to the next topic. Next very important topic. Source file level entry questions. Okay. Source file level entry questions. Can you guess how many questions would be there? Guess. How many questions would be there? How many questions? Just randomly pick one number. Only 43 questions. Okay. Only 43 questions are there. Chaka we will complete. Yesterday we completed 51 questions. Okay. This after all, 43 questions only. We can complete it. Let's start. I am hiding your chat window. I'm not going to see. Okay. I'm not going to see any of your questions. Okay. Prem. So just a hello world application completed. Next, hello world application based points we are trying to teach. Okay. So you no need to worry anything. Just concentrate on what I am explaining. You will understand everything today. So first 2 to 3 points will be confusing little bit because you are first time listening the class. So don't worry. Just concentrate. I will give you the backup videos. Okay. By tomorrow I will give you definitely. Okay. Today I'm just collecting the previous videos, all the links, and I will give you by tomorrow class. By tomorrow you are coming to class. I will share all the videos. Clear? So please try to concentrate what I am telling. Don't try to get any questions. Why? Don't get the question called why. Only get the question called what, how. What I am telling, how I am doing. What I am telling, how I am doing. Only ask the questions what and how. Don't ask the question why. If you ask question why, we will confuse. So now I'm hiding the chat window. I am not going to see any question you are asking. I'm just keep on explaining whatever I need to explain. I'm explaining. If you have any questions, you keep ask. No problem. Okay, I'm not seeing your answers and I'm not seeing your questions. Is it clear to all? Just I'm hiding. Okay, look at this. I'm hiding the corner. Okay, I'm showing the proof. Look at here. I'm hiding here corner. Okay. Okay, now. Have you seen? Here corner is there. Corner I am hiding. Arey yaar. Today's system is playing with me. Package import level interview questions. Okay. Just I want to try it like this. Source file structure. Simple. Source file structure. What is the source file? What can I do in the source file? What I cannot do in the source file? These are the points we are trying to understand. Okay. Now, first question. What is a source file? A .java file is called source file. Okay. A .java file that contains the code written by the programmer in a programmer understandable way is called source file. A .java file is called source file. What is a source code? The code written in .java file by developer in a developer understandable way is called source code. What type of code? Okay, what type of code source file contains? Source file contains, is it bytecode? No. Source file contain the human being understandable code that is called high level code. So what is a source file? .java file is called source file. What is a source code? The code written inside .java file by programmer in a programmer understandable way is called source code. Then what type of code source file contains? Source file contains high level language code which can be understandable by the programmer. Next, what is the source file structure? Okay, now let me try to understand it. Now you open the notepad. Okay, this is a saved with the name .java extension. Now I'm saving with the name .java extension in your regular directory, core Java, Java basics. Here I'm saving with the name, let's say a.java, already there. I'm just replacing, no problem. Right. So now I open this. Then source file structure means what you can create, what you cannot create. Repeating again, what you can create, what you cannot create inside this file is called what? Source file structure. Inside a source file, we can create totally 10 different things. What are the 10 different things? Number one, inside a source file, we can create 10 different things. Number one, okay, document. Number one, documentation section. Okay. Number two, package statement. Number three, import statement. Number four, interface. You know already. Number five, package. Abstract class. You know already. Number six, concrete class. Nothing but just a class. Number seven, final class. Number eight, enum. Number nine, annotation. Number 10, observe all these things, package, grouping from classes interfaces. Import statement for accessing one packaged classes from another package. Next, interface, abstract class, concrete class, final class are meant for representing objects by declaring some variables and by implementing some methods. Enum, annotation, meant for representing constant values and configuration values. Then by using these interface, abstract class, concrete class, enum, annotation, I develop the methods. Okay, but those methods are not automatically executed by JVM. All you people know. JVM by default executes only main method, right? JVM by default executes only main method. Then if a main method is not there, this project, this Java file, this class, I cannot execute. Then for that, I need one class that contains what? Main method. So that class is called what? Main method class. A class that contains main method is called main method class. Is it clear? So now, finally, inside a source file, we can create 10 different programming elements. What are they? Documentation section, package statement, import statement, interface, abstract class, concrete class, final class, enum, annotation, and last but not least, main method class. Then from here, you need to understand some points. What is that? Can I place these programming elements in any order, wherever I like? Should I follow the same order? No, you can write some order. What is that? You can place documentation anywhere. Okay, you can place documentation anywhere you wish. There is no rule that I have to place here or there. Anywhere you can place. Next, very important, package statement and import statement should not be placed however you like. You must place only in the same order. Must be placed in the same order before classes declaration. Hello, very important. Interface, abstract class, concrete class, final class, enum, annotation, all are kind of classes only, right? So that's why I'm telling that before classes declaration. Next, interface, abstract class, concrete class, interface, abstract class, concrete class, final class, enum, annotation, these are can be placed in any order. Okay, can be placed in any order. There is no rule. And even final class also. Final class also you can place in any order. There is no rule. Did you understand the points? So inside a Java file, you can, one second. In any order, but after, you can place in any order after package and import statement. After package and import. After package and import, you can place them in any order, no objection. So this is the first point you need to know. Okay, nice. So in a Java file, you can place documentation either at the beginning or in the middle of package import or in the middle of package or anywhere, your wish. You can place anywhere, no problem, even at end also. Okay, package statement must be here only, import statement must be here only. Okay, then next question. How many documentation, now is it tell me all these sections are mandatory or optional? Tell me documentation means what? I'm just providing the description to my programming element. I am writing this program for this purpose. I am writing this variable for this purpose. I am writing this class for this purpose. I am providing some description to the other programmer. So tell me, providing description to other programmer is not mandatory, is not it is not mandatory, it is not optional, it is just essential. Okay, it is essential. If you provide, it's good. If not provide, it's okay. Next, tell me, package is meant for what? Only grouping the classes. So already we discussed this point, optional. When I don't have any package, import statement is also optional. Okay, and next, if you take interface, if I have any main object, I have interface required. I don't have any object, so it is optional. Okay, when there is no interface, abstract class, concrete class, final class, all these are will not come. Final class, optional, and then next enum, next annotation, all these are optionals. Hey, main method class is also optional. If you make main method class also optional, then why you are writing this entire Java file? It's a waste of, right? So I can make it as a mandatory. At least you should create main method class. Then okay, if you're writing a program, there is a meaningful. Okay, fine. Then these are the which is optional, which is mandatory. Next question. In a Java file, how many documentations I can write? Already told you, no, optional, 0 to n number, your wish. Next, how many packages? Packages means what? Optional, I told you. That means 0 to n number. Wait, no, 0 or 1. Either 0 or 1 only. You cannot write a number. Package is meant for what? Grouping classes. Nothing but a folder. I told you, comparison with operating system. A package in Java is nothing but a folder in operating system. I want to store a.txt file. Then how many folders are required? One folder is sufficient. I wanted to store a.class file. How many folders required? One folder sufficient, right? So why you need multiple folders? So multiple packages are not required. The next, import statement. How many import statements are allowed? I don't have any other package, 0, but I have another package. Then how many packages we have? Multiple hundreds of packages are there. I have package 1, I have package 2, I have package 3. Now I have another package and one class. Now here I have a.class, b.class, c.class. Now I want access a.class and then what? b.class and then what? c.class from my other packaged class. This is a P1 package, P2 package, and this is a P3 package, and this is a, okay, let's say some P4 package. Array, this is P3, na? P3 package, and this is a P4 package. Inside P4 package, the class wanted to access, the classes available a.class, b.class, c.class, available in different packages. Then how many import statement I should place here? One import statement sufficient? No. I should place import p1.a, import p2.a, import p2.b, import p3.c. I have to place import statement. N number of import statements I required to place. Hence, how many import statements are allowed here? 0 to n number of import statements are allowed. Everyone understand? Right. How many documentation sections available? 0 to n. Package 0 to 1 only. How many import statements? 0 to n. Then how many interface, abstract class, concrete class, final class, enum annotation? All these are based on your project requirement. You can place 0 to 0 or n, your wish. 0 or n number you can place. N number of interfaces, n number of abstract classes, n number of concrete classes you can write. Then how many main method classes? Array, main door. How many main doors will be there in your home? Only one main door, na? Right? Only one main door will be there. Now 0, okay, 0, 0 or 1, 0 or 1. Tell me, there are some big container rooms are there, right? Big container rooms. These big container rooms will also contain multiple main method classes, na? Generally, most of the people will say that only one main method class can be there in Java file, but it's very important. You can have n number of main method classes, but it's not good programming practice. We must have only one, but you can write 0 main method classes or one main method class or n number of main method classes also you can write. I will show you all the points. So this is the basic idea about source file structure in a Java file. Nothing but in one Java file, in one Java file, in one Java file. Okay, what I can do, what I cannot do. In a Java file, I can create 10 different members. Number one, documentation. Number two, package, import, interface, abstract class, concrete class, final class, enum, annotation, main method class. Among these 10 members, which is mandatory, which is optional? Documentation is essential. Package statement, import statements are optional. Interface, abstract class, concrete class, final class, enum, annotation are optional. Main method class is mandatory. Next, now how many documentations are available? Essential, I told you 0 to n. Package, I told you optional, 0 to 1 only. Okay, 0 to 1 only. Okay, star mark I'm writing, must remember. 0 to 1 only allowed. Next, import statement 0 to n. Interface to annotation 0 to n. And main method class, generally we write 1. Either 0 or n, your wish. Generally we write 1. So this is the complete story. Can I write package anywhere? No, must write before import statement. Package statement must be the first statement in the Java file. Next, can I write import statement anywhere? No, after package statement, before classes declaration. Can I write interface abstract class anywhere? After package and import statement, anywhere you can write. Can I write main method anywhere? After package and import statement, anywhere you can write. So this is the complete knowledge about Java source file structure. Please take screenshot. Take screenshot. '21, '22. Okay, I told you in last class, this window, we cannot control the people for from starting the webcam. I clearly told you. If you are enjoying inside source file is called what? What you call source code. What type of code source file contain? High level language code which is understandable to programmer. What is the source file structure? I have given a source file content and programming elements. What are the different programming elements allowed and not allowed? You have seen what the different programming elements are allowed and not allowed. Tell me what the different programming elements are allowed. Package, import, interface, abstract class, concrete class, final class, enum, annotation. Not allowed. Can you write variable? No. Can you write variable? No. Can you write method? No. Inside source file directly we cannot create variable method. What I'm telling, have you seen here, have I created any variable method constructor block? No. They are part of whom now? Inside a class. Inside a class it is allowed. So variables, methods, constructor, blocks, variables. Okay. And next block, and next constructor, and then next what? Method, and next inner classes. All these are allowed inside a class, not allowed directly inside a source file. Inside a source file, if you create directly, compiler will throw error. Is it clear? Fine. So now inside a source file, what programming elements are directly allowed? what the different programming elements directly allowed and not allowed in a source file. Variables, methods, constructor, blocks, inner classes are not directly allowed. Package, import, interface, abstract class, final class, enum, annotation, main method classes are directly allowed. Next, among them, what are the mandatory and optional? Answered. What is the order we must follow to place? Answered. So these are the 7 questions. I hope everyone got clarity. I am moving to the next question. What is a package? Why package? How can we create a package? Simple. Already know. Package is a folder. Package is a folder. Why package? It is used for grouping or organizing related classes and interfaces as one group and separating one group of classes and interfaces from another group of classes. Also, sometimes I want to create same file. For example, in your hard disk, I wanted to create 2 files with the same name. Is it possible? In a D drive, okay, in a core Java folder, here I am trying to create one more file, okay, new. I'm creating a file called, let's say, I'm creating a file, let's say, a dot PDF coming. Oh, sorry. Okay, no problem. PPT, a dot PPT I created. Now, right click, new, okay. PPT, where are you? I'm trying to create same PowerPoint presentation with the same name A. Allowed or not allowed? Not allowed. It is throwing error. Babu, there is a PowerPoint presentation with the name A already. You wanted to create A of 2.txt. You cannot create 2 at a time. No, I want with the same name. Then what to do? You must use 2 folders. Folder 1, folder 2. In folder 1, a.pptx. In folder 2, a.pptx is allowed. Similarly, if you wanted why package, package is basically used for solving name conflicts. Okay. If you wanted to organize multiple classes and interfaces as a one group, and also you want to create 2 classes with the same name, then you can use what? Package. So repeating, what is a package? A package is a folder. Why package? Package is used for organizing classes as a one group. How can we create a package? Package is created by using the package is created by using the keyword package. Okay, like how you created a class by using keyword class, interface by using interface. Similarly, how can you create a package? By using the keyword package. Let me try to understand this point. I'm deleting all these things. Now I'm writing package p1, save, and then I'm writing one class called what? A, open bracket, close it bracket. Inside this class A, I'm writing publicu, staticu, voidu, main, string array, args, open bracket, close it bracket. Okay. Now here I'm writing system dot out dot println off. System dot out dot println off. Double quotes. I'm writing a main. Save it. Okay. Next. Now I'm going to create one more class. Open notepad. What the user package? Package is used for organizing classes as one group. I want to create one more class called B. Okay, with the same main method, let's say, no problem. Main method or not main method, at least bother. Doesn't no need to worry about the internal methods. Okay, only worry about the classes. Tell me, I'm creating class called B, and this is what? B main. Now I wanted to store this class also in the same folder called P1, same package called P1. Then what I should write? Package, same name you have to maintain, P1, save. Tell me now, both a.java file, b.java file, nothing but class A, class B belongs to which package? P1 package. Right? Then how to compile, sir? If the classes are packaged classes, okay, up to now we discussed normal classes, but now these are what? Packaged classes. How to compile? You should not compile packaged classes normal. Okay, na? You must not compile packaged classes normally. Once upon a time, long ago, yesterday, understand that? Once upon a time, long ago, yesterday, you have discussed one point. Remember? -D option. Sorry, yesterday you are telling long ago, you are telling why, sir? Hey, come on, you are Gajni, na? Gajni means what? Yesterday you will forget. And yesterday will be generally long ago for you, right? Then tell me, Java C, a.java, when you compile, what happened? Look at that, just dot class file created. Hey, why is coming down? Right click, sort by type. Now observe, Java C, a.java, when you compile, let me compile once again. Now Java C A.Java. Look at that. A dot class file created. What happened, Ravi? Dot class file coming down. Okay. So A dot class file when you create, it is created there directly. But because of the keyword package, because of the statement package P1, package folder created or not created? Not created. But I want to create. What to do? You must follow -d option syntax. Java C -d dot A dot Java. Look at that. P1 folder created is created down. So what happened to the system? Close this. Okay, now look at that. P1 package created. Inside P1 package, a dot class file is created. Okay, next. Now I'm going to compile again Java C -d, Java C -d dot B dot Java. Tell me, in B dot Java file also, I have used the same package P1. Below. Now what happened? We will get B dot class file in the same folder. So tell me, what is a package? A package is a folder. What the use of it? It is used for organizing multiple classes as a group, and also it is used for separating two classes with the same name. Now I wanted to create one more class called A. I want to create one more class called A. Now this is a p1.a.main alt fa. I am creating with the same name a.java. Allowed or not allowed? Not allowed. It is throwing error. A.java file already exists. Do you want to replace it? No, 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 no. I don't want to replace. Then what to do? Create one more folder. I'm creating a package new with the name what? P2. Okay. In a P2 package, now I am saving a.java, and I have to take here what? P2. Already catch my point? P2 I have to take, and then I'm writing a message p2.main. Save it. So if you want to maintain multiple Java files with same name, or if you want to organize Java files and classes with the same name, then you have to use what? Then you have to use packages concept. Look at that. P1 package and P2 package, both I have created. Okay, both contain. It is also contain a.java, and it is also contain P2 a.java. So we can do like this. This is the use of package. Can I hope all you people got some idea on what the use of package? What is a package? Package is a folder. It is used for organizing classes as groups, and also use it for differentiating one class from another class if you want to maintain with the same name. The next, let me open a.java file. Let me open a.java file. Packages is a separate chapter. We'll discuss more detail there. At this minute, just I am giving information. That's it. And now, right click, open with a notepad. Tell me. Now look at here. I am going to, can I place this package statement as many as I like? Package P1. One more time I am writing. Package P1, package P2, package P3. If I write like this, what the meaning of it? Now if you run the class, if you run the Java file with -d option, then totally how many folders are created? Just now you have seen there is a folder created with the name P1. Like this, how many folders are created? 3 folders. Then a dot class, same a dot class file is saved how many times? 3 times. And tell me now, creating multiple packages is useless. If you try to create, compiler will throw error. Then how can you are stopped creating multiple packages? There is a rule. You cannot place package statement wherever you like. Okay. Now I am placing this package statement after the class. If you place after class, compiler will throw error. Observe Java C -d. Java C -d not required. I'm removing it, just compilation, no problem. Already package is there. P1 slash A.Java. It is available in P1. Na? Look at there. Compiler throwing error, package P1, class or interface or enum expected. Compiler is not allowing to place package wherever you like. Now I am moving it to beginning of the statement, beginning of the Java file. Is it allowed? Yes, allowed. Look at there, compile successfully. Can I place multiple package statements? No. If you place multiple package statement, it will become second line. Second line is not allowed. Okay, compiler will throw error. Look at there, throwing error, class or interface or enum expected. So finally, what is the point you need to understand? Can I place how many package statements are allowed, where package statement is allowed, and why? Package statement must be allowed only as a beginning of the Java file as a first statement. Why? Because if the folder name is decided, then the .class file can be stored. If the package is created, then only .class file can be created. If you place this package statement at end of the Java file, okay, at end of the Java file, then first a.class file is created, where I should save, right? There is a confusion to the compiler software. That's why first you have to create package statement for giving information to compiler. This .class file must be stored in which folder. The next, how many package statements are allowed? Only one package statement is allowed in a Java file. Why? Because of two reasons. Reason number one, the rule on package statement, it must be the first statement in a Java file. Rule number two, package, if you place multiple package, reason number two, if you place multiple package statements in a Java file, .class file, the generated .class file must be saved in all these folders. Saving the same .class file with the same code in all the folders is a time waste and what you call a space waste. So that's why it is not allowed. I hope all these three questions are clear to all. What is a package? Why package? How can we create a package? Where package statement is allowed and why? How many package statements are allowed and why? Okay, now I move into the next point. What is an import statement? Already told you now. What is an import statement? An import statement is nothing but an import statement is the keyword import, simple. What is a import statement? And a statement that provide information about the package. Okay, simple I can say. What is import statement and why? Why import statement? Both combined I'm telling. There is no actually question called what is import statement. Okay, so simple. Import statement is a statement. Okay, what is import statement? A statement that provide information about the package where the class is available. Repeating again, the statement that provides information about where information about the package where the class is available is called import statement. Now go on, check once. In this class, I'm using one predefined class called array list. Okay, array list, AL semicolon. Now, compiler software will throw error. Look at that. Compiler will throw error. Cannot find symbol, class array list. Why compiler throwing class array list? Compiler is telling that, Babu Hari, I don't know where this array list class is available. Then you must inform to compiler, import, keyword name is what? Import. It is available in the package called java.util. Class name you should write array list. Is it clear? This class array list is available in the package called what? Java.util. Then if you go on to compile, now program successfully compiled. So tell me, what is a import? A statement. This is a statement. A statement that is used to give information about the package in which the class is available is called what? Import statement. And tell me, how can you create import statement? Import statement is created by using the keyword import. Import following by package name, following by package name, and following by either you can write star, either you can write star. Look at their compile successfully, or you can write a class name. You can write anything. So then what is the difference between star and array list? If I write star, not only array list class, another classes also we can access from this package. All classes. For example, I'm writing has set. One more class is there called has set classes. Save it. Go to command prompt, clear screen, compile it. Compile successfully. Then now I am trying to write here star place the class name I am writing. Okay, array list only I have placed. Then from this package, I can access only array list class. So has a set class compiler throw error. Cannot find symbol class has a set. Has a set class is not found. So what the point you need to understand here? Very, very important. So import statement is used for finding the classes in which package they are available. Import statement has a two forms, star and class name. Star, if you place, I can access all classes available in the util package. If you write class name, only one class we can access. Okay, more details about import package we'll discuss in the chapter called package. Here just I am giving the taste. Okay, just I am giving the taste. More details, complete depth we are going to learn the next coming chapter. Okay, the next, now I'm going to ask a question. Now tell me, now I'm going to write one statement here. Observe, I wanted to access a class, okay, something like this, connection con. I'm going to write something called connection con I have written. Then what the meaning of, okay, what the meaning of connection con? Okay, what the meaning of connection con? It is also a predefined class where it is available in another package. Observe now, if you try to write, okay, I'm writing star, okay, maybe if you write star, maybe you'll understand. Okay, star, if you write, what the feeling you will get, both classes are available in the util package. No, no, no. Okay, both are not allowed in the util package. Look at there. Look at their compiler throwing error, cannot find symbol connection. Where connection is available, it is available in another package. Then if you want to access classes from another package, I must add multiple import statement. Java dot, the package name is SQL. Package name is what? SQL. Java dot SQL dot star. Clear screen, compile. Now program is successfully compiled. Is it clear my point? Right. So finally, what are the important points you need to understand? What is a package? A package is a folder. What the use of package? It is used for organizing classes as a group and separating one group of classes from another group of classes, separating one functionality based classes from another functionality based classes, and also used for differentiating two classes when they have same name. How can you create package is created by using the keyword package. How can we how many packages we can create in, I mean, what the rule on the package, where I can place package statement must be placed only as a first statement in a Java file. If you place as a second statement or last statement or middle somewhere, compiler will throw error, because if package folder name is decided, then folder can be created. In that folder, dot class file will be saved. If you create package statement as a second or third somewhere else, if you write, then compiler software get confusion. Next, what is an import statement? Why import statement? How can I create import statement? A statement that contain import keyword meant for accessing the classes from different packages, or providing the information about the package from which the class is available, in which the class is available, is called import statement. Import statement is used for accessing the classes available in the different package. Okay, how can you create import statement? Import statement is created by using the keyword import following by the package name following by dot class. Okay, or you can use a dot star. What the difference between dot star and dot class? If you want to access only one class from the package, we can write directly package name dot class. If you want to access all the classes available in that package, then you must use package name dot star. In a Java file where you are allowed to place import statement, I must place import statement after package statement and before class declaration. If you place before package statement, compiler will throw error to package statement, because package statement must be the first statement. Okay, next, if you place import statement after a class declaration, compiler will throw error for import statement, because import statement must be before class declaration. Save it, then compiler will throw error. Okay, next, now how many import statements are allowed? We can place n number of import statement based on number of classes from different packages we are accessing, but all import statement must be placed after package statement and before class declarations. I hope all people understand these three questions. Any doubts? These 13 questions are comfortable to all? I'm not going to respond to unrelated questions. I'm responding to only the questions related to these 13 points. If you ask any question not related to current topic, I'm not going to respond. If you ask one question, I'm not giving answer, means that will come in the next classes. Okay, all questions are unrelated. Now I'm going to the next topic. Okay, I will share the questions so that you people can decide these questions should answer or should not answer. Okay, I'm not going to talk to anybody because I want to finish these topics. These are the questions people are asking. I'm just ignoring them. Right. The next, moving to the next question. Tell me, in our Java file, we are accessing string and system classes without using import statement. Yes or no? Come on, come on. We are accessing string and system classes without using import statement. Then how are they found by compiler? How are they found by compiler? Look at here. If you want to access array list class, connection classes, we must add import statement. Now, I am trying to use the class called system and then class called string. The class called system and class called string from the day beginning we are using. But I have not added any import statement. These classes are available in the package java.lang. Okay, java.lang package. Java.lang package is default imported package. We no need to add import statement further. Whenever you are accessing any class from whenever program is compiling, compiler software implicitly places, at this minute I'm not going to give you full details. Again and again I'm repeating. You are again and again not listening. Whatever the doubts you are having, throwing on my face. Current topic is not package and import related topic. Don't raise any questions other than my discussion. Whenever you compile the program, compiler software implicitly places import java.lang.star. All are catching my point? Then save it, go to command prompt, compile it. If you place, it's okay, compile successfully. If you don't place this import statement, the moment compiler software entered into this class, compiler placing by default import java.lang.star. Then compiler software able to find string on system in the java.lang package. Na? That's why compiler, that's why this package is called default imported package. Then now the question, how they are found by compiler? Because java.lang package is default imported package. Then next tell me, can we access any predefined class without using import statement? What is the answer? No. Only we can access the classes available in the import java.lang. Which package is default imported package? Which package is the default imported package? Java.lang package. What its meaning? What is the meaning of default imported? We no need to add import statement. Compiler implicitly adding. And why it is adding java.lang package only as a implicit package? Why not other packages? Because without using the classes from java.lang package, we cannot write simple hello world application also. So Java is telling that it's a simple programming language, very, very simple programming language. Then if you are asked by Java people for writing small program also, like in C language, you add import java.lang.star hash include stdconio.io, something. If you are writing imports header files in C language, like header files in Java, you must write what import statement. Okay, if Java people are telling that Java is a very simple programming language, when it is a very simple programming language, all the repeated work doing by the programmers must be hide from the developer, then only we can say implicit, easy. Okay, when I can say simple. So that's why what Java people did, now Java people did what the statement, okay, java.lang package classes are required for every class development. Hence, you no need to write import statement. We will write the import statement. You only concentrate on typing the class names enough. We will attach the class names to them. We will attach the package name to them. So, repeating again, why? Which package is the default imported package? What its meaning and why? So, java.lang package is the default imported package. Okay, right. So what the meaning of it? To access the classes available in java.lang package, we no need to access. Okay, we no need to place import statement. Directly you can access, compiler will add it. Why java.lang package is made as a Java default imported package? Because for simplifying the coding. Every developer should write java.lang package because every class requires string and system classes. To simplify the coding, compiler software decided to add import statement for that package. That's it. Okay, I hope you got clarity on this point. 16 questions. Okay, now. So I'm keep on telling that ask the questions related to current topic. I told you your batch people are very dangerous people. Look at that. At 4:49, at 4:49, it's a 4:51. Okay, Mr. Mihi has sent one question. Can we override predefined method? Asla yalaga how? How? Do you understand? What do you say that? He's a brainful person or brainless person? What the current topic I'm discussing, what question he's asking? Can we override predefined method? Bah, great person, no? This type of brainless idiots are there in your class. That's why your batch is most torturous batch. That's why I'm hiding, you know. Okay. I am hiding this entire chat box for that reason. You catch my point? If I open this chat box, you know, my unnecessary distraction is coming from regular topic. By this time, we should already complete data type chapter also. Okay? By this time, we should already complete data type chapter. What topic I am asking, what topics I am discussing, what points you are telling. Great people, Miras. Okay, now moving to the next point. Okay, one set of questions completing, and I'm checking, do you have any questions? So if the question is related, that I will respond. Otherwise, I'm ignoring and going. I will share that question. Pakka. Pakka, I will share that question. I will share it so that people will feel, okay, how nasty idiots they are. You can realize why I'm scolding in the class. Because so many people are feeling that I'm very angry person, you know, every depressed person, finding the people to scold, people are feeling. Okay, so that's why I will not talk with the people. I'll share that question. By reading that question, you can take decision what I am responding. Okay, now then now let me go to the next questions. Observe. Here onwards, the questions are related to classes. Okay, tell me, in a source file we can create documentation. Documentation is nothing but descriptions. What I can do, what I cannot do, why I'm doing. Just I'm typing. This class is created for adding two numbers. Okay, this class can also add numbers. Not only numbers, can add string. Whatever you are doing, just write some description. That is called documentation. Nothing there. Okay, then we completed package related main questions, package related more important questions, and import related more important questions, but not detailed will come in the chapter called package. Then next we try to understand. Now I'm going to next story, classes. Okay, next to the package what we can write, classes, interface, abstract class, concrete class, final class, enum, annotation, right? Next I'm going for class. Okay, chalo. Now I'm going to ask one question. Look at here. I open the notepad here once again. Okay, now can I create empty Java file? Can I create empty Java file? Come on. Can I create empty Java file? Just I open notepad and I'm saving with the name again a.java. Going back to the main folder, Java basic folder, a.java save. Can I create empty Java file? Yeah, create. What is the problem? No problem. After creating, can I compile it? Java C, a.java. Can I compile it? Compile. What is the problem? If I compile any compile time error, come on, think. If I compile empty Java file, any problem, Java C a.java, any problem. What is the problem? You must first think about, is there any, compiler responsibilities. Compiler will go to a.java file and looking for any statement available in this class, in this Java file. One single character also not there. When nothing there, what I can compile? Now compiler software very happily coming back. If class is not there, what will you do? Right? Now I didn't tell you that there is no class tomorrow. Let's say, hey, tomorrow class is there, assume tomorrow no class is there, I didn't tell. Just you log into the class as usual by 4 o'clock. And one message is placed there. Today class is cancelled. Please log in tomorrow. Sorry for the inconvenience caused. Then what is your response? Will you get too much angry? And then in the chat box, you will start shouting at the administrator. You must tell yesterday only. Today you are telling nonsense fellow, that fellow, this fellow. Era brainless, useless fellows. When class is not there, then will get angry saying that yesterday only you should tell. Are you telling every day yesterday? In your daily routine life also, you are giving all the information prior to 24 hours to the other people. Are you a human being? Na? Even God also cannot plan everything, right? Sometimes, rainy season delaying. Sometimes rainy season coming early only. Summer season delaying or coming early. Unexpectedly rain will come. God cannot plan properly. Being a human being, how can I plan everything properly under control? So when class is suddenly cancelled either by me or either by faculty or anybody, don't get angry. Feel so happy. Yes, today class is not there. Now these 2 hours I can use for revision. Cheche, we never use for revision. Simply, Ammaya, today class not there. Let me move to YouTube. Let me move to Facebook. Let me go to Twitter. Let me go to whatever, Instagram. Roaming outside. Corona waiting for you, Mr. Mihi. Right? Your lover Corona is waiting outside. So it will catch you. Also very with a wonderful smile face, big smile face, it is waiting for you. So I'm requesting you all, behave like a compiler. What is the meaning of it? What compiler doing? Compiler, going to a.java file. Looking, is there any statements to read and compile? No statements are there. With a big happy face, with a big happy smile face, it is a coming back. Okay, it is a coming back and happily taking rest. Hammaya, no need to do any work today. You also do the same. Look at that. Any compile time error? No compile time error. Now the question, dot class file created or not created? Come on. Dot class file created or not created? Array, what is the name of the dot class file? If you say dot class file is created, what is the name of the dot class file? Dot class file name must be same as a class name, na? That's why your batch students are, brainless students. Okay, you never ever changed. What is the name of the dot class file? Class name. Where is the name of the class? Simple point. Think like a compiler. Start from the zero. Compiler is responsible for compiling Java program, generate the bytecode, store in a dot class file with the same class name as its name. Where is the class, right? Where is the class? How can I create the dot class file? And tell me, dot class file created a background? Not created. Not created. Look at there. Compile. Nothing is there. Dot class file name must be same as a class name. Change it. Can you run the class? When there is no dot class file, how can I run? Compiler throw error. It is going to. Okay, JVM throwing error. For the compile time error, could not find or load main class A. Dot class file is not generated, so it is throwing error. Is it clear? Understand a point? Fine. Then next, tell me, I am creating one class called A, open bracket, closure bracket. Come on. Class A, open bracket, closure bracket. Tell me, can I create empty class? Can I create empty class? Yes. I saved. Can I compile this empty class? Can I compile this empty class? Yes. If I compile empty class, will you get any compile time error? No. So our main method is not there now, sir. Main method is required for JVM to run, not for compile to compile. Is a dot class file created? Yes. If a class is there, dot class file is generated. So the name of the dot class file is a dot class. Okay, clear screen. Next, can I execute it? Can I execute it? No. Why? Because there is no main method. Main method is not found. So I'm repeating all the questions once again. Carefully think and answer. Can I create an empty Java file? Yes. Can I create empty Java file? Yes. Can I compile it? Yes. Dot class file created? No. Can I execute it? No. Because dot class file is not there. To run the class, dot class file is required. Next question. Can I create an empty class? Yes. Can I compile it? Yes. Dot class file created? Yes. With what name? Name as a class name. Can I execute it? Yes. No, we cannot execute because main method is not there. Next, main method mandatory for what? Main method is mandatory for, okay? Main method is mandatory for whom? Main method is mandatory for whom? Main method is mandatory for whom? JVM. Can I compile a class without main method? Yes. Answer to these questions. Can we create empty Java file? Yes. Can I compile it? Yes. Dot class file generated? No. Can I execute? No, because dot class file is not there. Next, can we create empty class? Yes. Can I compile? Yes. Dot class file created? Yes. Can I execute? No. Why? Because main method is not there. First one, dot class file is not there. Second one, main method is not there. Can we compile a class without main method? Yes. How? Because main method is not required for compiler, meant for JVM. Main method is mandatory for dash, for execution for JVM. Is it clear? I'm moving to the next questions. Next, try to answer. I am creating a class with the Java file a.java. Okay? a.java I am creating. Then I am trying to create this class inside this a.java file. I am creating class with the name B. Can I create Java file and a class name with a different names? Can I create class and Java file with a different names? Public, static, void, main of, string array, args, open bracket, closure bracket, system dot out dot println semicolon, double quotes hi. Tell me, can I create a class and Java file name with a different name? Is it mandatory that class name and Java file must be same? Not required. You can create with any name, no problem. Save it, go to command prompt, clear screen, compile, and then execute. With the name A, you cannot run. With the name B, you can run because dot class file name is B and you are getting output high. Next question. In your academics, your lecturer might told you Java file name and class name must be same. When Java file name and class name must be same, if you declare class as a public, like main method, we can also declare class as a public. As long as you have not declared class as a public, no need to maintain Java file name, class name same. Once you declare class as a public, Java file name and class name must be same. Okay. And now let me go and check. Java C a.java, when you compile, compiler will throw error. Class B is public, should be declared in a file named a.java. should be declared in a name called a.java. Until you change the name with the name, until you change the name as a b.java, compiler is keep on throwing error. Everyone understand the point? Compiler software keep on throwing the error saying that b.java file change the name. Okay. Then now you should get a question. Why Java file name and public class name must be same? Very simple. All the people know na public is meant for public. Public member is meant for you? No. Public is a member is for public, other programmer to access. Okay. If you declare your class B as a public, the intention, okay sir, this is just understanding point sir, you have to accept. If you declare a class B as a public, the meaning is you want to allow other programmer to access your class. Then tell me, when you want other programmer to access your class, this programmer should know in which Java file this class is defined na. If you create Java file name as a.java, and if you create the class as a B, how this programmer can find in which Java file the class B is available? So for giving easy understanding, easy finding, for easily identifying, for easily finding your class by other programmer, compiler software has a design with this rule. It is not a programming rule, it is not the syntax rule, it is just for other programmer sake purpose this rule is created. For easily finding the classes available in the Java file, the class name and Java file name is made as a rule. Okay. The next question, if you not declare class as a public, Java file name and class name no need to be same. Why non-public class name and Java file name no need to be same? Array, if you don't declare class as a public, you are not allowing other programmer to access. It is not intended for other programmer to access. Only you as a creator you wanted to access. Tell me, as you only accessing, you know, right? Your class is available where? Tell me, your house address, you know, you can go to your house at any time, no problem. Even in a full drink mode also you can go to your home because you are that much talented. But now you want your friend to come to your home. If you want your friend to come to your home, you must make your house as a public. That means address and everything should give where this class is defined. You must tell if you want to allow your other programmer to access. Simple point. What that? When I should declare, look at these questions now. Is a Java file name and class name must be same? No need. When Java file name and class name must be same, if you declare class as a public. Why public class name and Java file name must be same? For allowing, for knowing other programmer where our class is, in which Java file our class is defined. For other programmer sake, for easily finding our class available in which Java file, we must make the public class name and Java file name must be same. Why non-public class name and Java file name no need to be same? Because non-public classes are not meant for accessing other programmers. Non-packaged classes are meant for accessing the same programmer whoever created. He knows in which Java file the class is created. That's why non-public classes and Java file name no need to be same. Did you understand? This section of questions are very, very important. Everyone got clarity? Yeah? This section of questions are, these 4 questions are very important. Next coming almost 15 questions are depending on this question only, right? And then now let me move to the next questions. Observe. Next question I'm moving. Next set of questions are very, very important. I am giving you single Java file here. In a single Java file, how many classes we can define? Come on, already you know source file structure. In a single Java file, how many classes I can create? Class A. Can I create multiple classes? Class B, class C. Can I create multiple classes like this? Class A, class B, class C. In a single Java file, can I create multiple classes? What is your answer? Allowed or not allowed? Allowed. classes can we create? We can create multiple classes. It's allowed. Then immediate question should come. If I compile, if you want to compile, first I have to save it, right? This is a Java file. In a Java file, I created multiple classes. Then further, I have to save the Java file. With what name I should save? A.Java, B.Java, C.Java, or any name.Java. Come on. A.Java, B.Java, C.Java, or any name.Java, or you have any other answer? Many people will say main method class. Where is the main method here? That's why I want you to change your mind. Okay, if you're not changing your mind, then lifelong you will be in a confusion only. I'm trying to give you proper track for you to learn. Okay, I'm trying to give you knowledge with a proper track. That's why step by step progress I am giving. But still you people are thinking in your academics. Your teacher told, your college lecturer told, main method class name must be the Java file name. Array, brainless fellows, where is main method here? Then why you are attending this course? Why you answered these many questions? Why did you learn all these questions? Waste of the time, na? These many questions you learn, waste of the time, na? I told you, these 4 questions you must carry to the next questions. Don't carry your half mind. Okay, half mind. With a half mind you completed your academics. With that half mind, if you try to continue now, lifelong you never pass written test exam of Java. Written test exam of Java will be given with all confusion points. So those confusion points I'm trying to clear. Come on, what you told in a Java file name and name must be same. You said no. When Java file name class name must be same, main method class. No, right? You said public class name Java file name. Then when you come to here, you are carrying your academic knowledge. You didn't correct your academic knowledge, right? In a single Java file, how many classes we can create? Multiple. In a Java file, if you have multiple classes, what the Java file name? If you ask public main method class name, are tumuri fellow, where is a main method? Are you catching my point? Tell me. Come on. Use previous knowledge and try to answer. What is the Java file name? Public class name. If no public class, any name, that is the way you have to answer. You should not say main method class name is Java file name. Okay? What do you answer? What do you answer? What is the name of the Java file? If a Java file contain multiple classes, what the name of the Java file? What you should answer? Public class name. If no public class, any name. Here there is no public class. So I want to say with the name abc.java. Allowed? I say with the name abc.java. Oh, sir, why you choose an ABC, sir? ABC, na? If I have D, ABCD, yeah? If I have E, ABCDE, na? To confuse you, because you are a confusion master, na? If I confuse you more, then in interview will not confuse you. Otherwise, are you understand? If I confuse you more in the classroom, then interviewer don't have chance to confuse you, because you know already every point. When he trying to confuse, will smile. Abba, I don't confuse it. Na? No chance. Already Hari confused me fully. I know this point, I know that point. I know how to think like a compiler. I know how to think like a JVM. I already confused Rabbi. You cannot confuse me. Get out from here. So here I choose an ABC, not because class name ABC, because just any name I have chosen. Then if I compile multiple Java files class, how many dot class files are created? If I compile multiple classes Java file, how many dot class files are created? One. What is the name of the dot class file? A dot class, B dot class, C dot class, or Java file name dot class. That's why I'm telling, stop using your brain. Start think like a compiler so that you will get correct answer. What the role of compiler? Compiler is responsible for compiling the given Java file top to bottom every line, generate the bytecode for a class and store the bytecode inside a new file dot class file with a separate with the class name as its name na. Come on, it has to generate the dot class file with the class name as its name na. Now tell me, if I compile abc.java file, how many dot class files are created? It has three classes, then three dot class files are created, Rabbi. Yes or no? As many classes we have, those many dot class files are created, because dot class file name and class name must be same. Java C abc.java. Look at that. Three dot class files are created. Today something happened to system. It's not responding as I expected. Look at the down you are getting A dot class, B dot class, C dot class. Did you understand? As many classes we have in Java file, those many dot class files are created. If I create 100 classes, then how many dot class files are created? 100 dot class files are created. Is it clear my point? Right. People who are not asking questions, silently following me, understanding every point, they are getting wonderful answer, replying. People who are showing their overaction by asking the questions, unrelated questions, they are confused and giving wrong answer, right? Are you catching my point? So thank you so much for other students who are blindly following me, who are understanding what I am trying to tell, remembering the previous point, carrying that point to the next section, not diverting their mind to their academics and all confusions, not bringing. Those people are understanding nicely, giving nicely. When I ask the question, how many dot class files are created, most of the people given three, because they are not using their brain. They are keep on taking my points into their mind and applying that. Remaining people are there, 4 5 people. Remember, there are some 4 5 people are there who are showing their overaction in the class. Ray, don't show your talent in front of me. Ray, your bacha in front of me. I know what question to cover, I know what question not to cover, which topic to cover, which topic not to cover. Okay, I know everything, Rabbi. Stop thinking, start understanding, take into your mind. If you still following your process of learning, then 100% I am telling you, you will become finally zero. Your 2500 rupees and 3 months of the time 100% waste. Last 1 month I am keep on telling, array, follow me, don't raise unnecessary questions. If I give one question, immediately you are trying to find new question. If I give one more, immediately you are going to another place. Try to think current topic, try to focus on current topic related points you remember. If I keep on I am telling, but you are not at all following, you will face too much problem in the coming classes. Because one question if I completed, that question answer will use in the second question answer will use in the third question answer will use in the fourth question. It is a kind of wiring. I keep on wiring. I'm not going to randomly not picking the questions. I hope you observed. One topic, first question, what the role of compiler, first interview question I am using now. After 50 60 questions, every question I am wiring. Keep on requesting, please don't divert your mind. Concentrate on what I am asking, what I covered, that much only follow. Don't show your academic talent. Feel you are a LKG student who don't know anything. Don't bring your academic knowledge, don't bring your advanced Java faculty knowledge to core Java. Are following? Don't bring your academic knowledge, don't bring your advanced Java faculty knowledge to the core Java class. Just follow me. I will cover every point. I will teach the points more than your academic faculty, more than your advanced Java faculty. No doubt in that. All people are following my core Java material only. Are you catching my point? All faculties of Amirpet core and advanced Java, everybody following my material only. Is it clear? You will realize slowly, don't worry. All core Java faculties, all advanced Java faculties, all people will follow our material only. Just you try to concentrate on what I am telling. Now tell me, in a single Java file, how many classes we can create? Multiple. If we create multiple classes, what the name of the Java file? Public class name. If no public class, any name. Okay. If I save a Java file and then if I compile multiple classes Java file, if I save multiple classes Java file, below. If I say multiple classes Java file and if you compile it, how many dot class files are created? Multiple classes. As many classes we have, those many classes will be generated. Then tell me, can I execute all classes at a time? Java ABC? Can I execute all classes at a time? No, only one class will take. Look at that. Main method not found in the class A. Main method not found in the class A. Is it clear? Next. So I cannot execute all classes at a time. Only one class I can run at a time. If the class contain main method, executed. If class doesn't contain main method, not executed. Is it clear to all? Now, let me move to the next questions. In a single Java file, how many public classes I can create? In a single Java file, how many public classes we can provide? Only one. Okay. Now I declare class as a public. Is it allowed now? Not allowed. Will you get any compile time error? Yes. Because Java file name is abc.java. Class name is A. Public class name and Java file name must be same. Compiler will throw error. Class A is public, must be saved in a Java file a.java. Okay. Compiler is throwing error. Look at that. Class A is public, should be declared in a file named a.java. Okay. Go here. Save me with the name a.java. Okay, I'm saving with the name a.java. Carefully think and answer. If I create a Java file with one public class and multiple non-public classes, Java file name must be public class. And now I am compiling that Java file a.java. Then will it generate only one dot class file a.class or will it generate all classes? How many dot class files are generated? If I compile multiple classes.java with one public class and non-public classes, how many dot class files are generated? Again, all people are showing their talent. All people are showing their talent. Few people are not showing their talent. What is the role of compiler? What is the role of compiler? Compiler role is go to .java file. From the first line of code to last line of the code, you compile. If you find class is public, look at Java file name and class name same or not. Yes, same. Then generate the dot class file. Then it is ignoring, it is terminating the middle compilation. Compiler role is compile until last line of the code na. Compiler will generate the dot class file for all classes available. Look at that. A dot class, B dot class, C dot class. People who are telling 111, you are using your brain. Stop using your brain. Start using compiler brain. What compiler will do? Start always from zero. If you want to become hero, start from zero. Start from zero. Compiler always starting from zero. Okay, this programmer has given me a.java file. Let me search a.java file. go into a.java file. I found the class as public. Let me verify. Class name and Java file name same or not? Yes. Then generate dot class file, save a dot class, then move on. B, generate b dot class file, move on. C, generate c dot class file. That's it. Simple. Why you are confusing unnecessary? Now, can I declare one more class as a public in a same Java file? Can I declare one more class as a public? Is it possible to declare one more class as a public? Save it. Then go to command prompt. What is the rule on public? Class name and Java file name must be same. Tell me, class A, b.java same. Okay, class A and a.java same. Then compiler moving down. I am deleting all these dot class files. Okay, then now compiler moving down. Out. There is error. If I told you, if an error occurred in the Java file, dot class file is not generated, complete compilation is terminated. I told you, remember? Then tell me, if you create multiple public classes in single Java file, is it possible or not possible? Not possible, because Java file name and class name must be same. Okay, if I create, what happened? Lifelong, your life will be become giant wheel. Compiler telling that save with 8b.java, saved. Go to command prompt, clear screen. I have to compile which Java file? b.java. Then compiler going into b.java file found class A is public. Class A and b.java not same. It is throwing error. Array class is public should be declared in a file called what a.java. Acha, okay, let me save it. Alt a.java. Okay, and then saved. Come back to command prompt and now compile with a.java file. And now lifelong your duty is what? Say change the file name b.java. b.java. Come to command prompt, compile with name b.java. Ingante lifelong you are go there, change you come here, compile. Everyone understand? Tell me, in a single Java file, how many public classes we can create? One public class. If you try to create multiple public classes, compiler will throw error because Java file name and class name must be same. Oh, then come here, answer these questions. Answer these questions. In a single Java file, how many classes we can create? Multiple. Multiple? That's the wrong answer. I want you to give correct answer. If you say multiple, that is only 70% correct. Remaining 30% wrong. Okay, remaining 30% wrong. In a single Java file, how many classes we can create? Somebody asks. You must answer one public class and multiple non-public classes. So what you must answer? One public class and multiple non-public classes. If a Java file has multiple classes, what is the Java file name? Public class name. If no public class, any name. If you compile multiple classes Java file, how many dot class files are generated? As many classes as we have. Can we execute all classes at a time? No, you must compile only one. Why you must run one class at a time? In a single Java file, how many public classes can we create? Only one. Why only one public class is allowed in a Java file? Because public class name Java file name must be same. If a Java file has one public class and multiple non-public classes, how many dot class files are generated? As many classes as we have. In a single Java file, how many public classes can we create? Only one public class. How can we create multiple public classes? Using your brain is the most dangerous person for our batch. No, he is next dangerous person for our batch. I have not used any word called inheritance, but he is bringing inheritance. From where he is collecting that word inheritance. Devesh Pandey, what is the use of package? Package is used for organizing classes and separating a dot class from a dot class. What the question I have asked, how can we create multiple public classes? How the package to public class linked? Priya, without taking single second also, you given a test short, damn short answers. Are you James Gosling? Huh? Without 1 second also thinking, throwing answers on my face. Take whatever you want, you take. What question I am asking, what answer you are giving, are they related to this question or not? In a single Java file, I can create how many public classes? One public class. Then how can I create multiple public classes and how package is related to this concept of tumbling? Before giving answer, think 1 second. What you are giving, is it how related? Visualize the code. It's a program related. Every point is a one program. Don't think like that. How can you think like that? How dare you to think like that? Did I use anywhere called same name? No, no. If you are thinking as you like, then how can you are expecting to pass interview? What interview you are asking, you should spend some time on that question. What is the knowledge you have? How that knowledge can be used? I told you every question is linking. Previous question answer must be used in the next question answer. In a single Java file, how many public classes we can create? Only one public class. But my project is demanding to create multiple public classes. How can I create? Think. Impossible. Huh? Must be possible. If it is not, if it is impossible, how can I develop project? Tell me. This is our classroom. This is our classroom. Now you entered into class. You have occupied your chair. Then another student is coming into the class. Then what should I do? I should throw you out and then give your chair to second student. Huh? Subham MK, Subham K, Mr. Subham K. You came into the classroom, you occupied the chair. Okay, you are seated on the chair. Then another student coming. Should I throw you from here and give your chair to the student? Then what to do? For second student, second chair. Third student, third chair. Fourth student, fourth chair. Fifth student, fifth chair. As many students are coming, those many separate chairs I have to provide. In a single Java file, one public class is allowed, but I want multiple public classes. One public class, one Java file. Oh, then another Java file you create, another public class, another Java file, another public class, another Java file, another public class. Simple equation. Did you understand? Simple point, na? Let me go that. Now here this program want both classes as a public. Then what to do? Don't disturb the existing Java file. Create separate Java file. Okay. Now b.java file. Okay. Let me close this. Open new notepad. One notepad is one Java file. Save here. Now take public class A in one Java file, save with what name? a.java. Now open another notepad, one Java file. Open another notepad. Now take public class B with the name what? b.java. b.java. Then tell me, can I take class C along with class B in the same Java file? Can I take class C in a class along with class B in the same Java file? Yes, because it is not public. Bolo, can I? I want class C also public. Then what to do now? Class C also public. What to do? Take separate Java file. Wonderful, wonderful. Open another notepad. Paste it here. So did you understand what I am telling? Now make it as a public. Save it. With what name? C.Java. How simple topic it is. Unnecessary you are, mixing many points and confusing yourself. Point is very simple. Previous question answer you receive and then try to analyze the next question. Simple point, right? Tell me, how many Java files now I created? Multiple Java files. Tell me, in a project, I'm going to develop hundreds of classes. Then all hundreds of classes I want to be public classes because other programmer wanted to access. Then how many Java files we create? Hundreds of Java files. Look at there. Sun Microsystems has given hundreds of Java files to you. Go to JDK. In JDK, go to lib. In lib, go to src.zip. Okay, go to src.zip. In src.zip file, look at that. We have java.base, java.lang. And look at that. Inside we have n number of Java files. Tell me, each Java file representing one class. One class, that is what? Public class. These many classes. How many public classes? These many public classes are created by Sun Microsystems for you to use. Did you understand? So, in a company, in project development, we are going to create these many Java files. As many classes you want other programmer to access, those many classes should declare as a public. Then those many Java files you have to create. Then the next problem now I am facing is, if I create multiple public classes, how can I compile them? Bolo, simple. Go to Java, go to command prompt. Go to command prompt. Clear screen. Compile Java C A.Java, Java C B.Java, Java C C.Java. 3 dot class file compile. Sir, if I have 100 Java files, 100 times I should type this code, sir. రే నేనేం అడుగుతున్నాను, ఏం చెప్తున్నారు రే? ప్లీజ్ రే బాబు, ప్లీజ్ రా, దండవరా మీకు. ఐఎమ్ ఆస్కింగ్ కంపైలేషన్ రా బై, నాట్ సేవింగ్. హౌ ద ప్యాకేజ్ ఈజ్ లింకింగ్ రా రే? Getting success from your batch, it seems to be very, very, very tough. People are torturing like anything. What I am trying to explain, look at that. CSC, talented people. Talented people. This background, CSC, IT background people are the most dangerous people. They never listen. They always having a feeling that, I know, what are you can tell nonsense. What we are telling, they never listen. నేను చెప్తున్నాను, వాట్ ఐఎమ్ ట్రైంగ్ టు టెల్ రే, ప్లీజ్ రా బాబు. I have created multiple Java files. Then I wanted to compile all Java files. How? Multiple Java files, A.Java, B.Java, C.Java. Each Java file you have to compile. Then immediate question should come in your mind. Sir, how can I compile hundreds of Java files? Thousands of Java files will be there now, sir. How can I compile those many Java files at a time, sir? Listen, there is a small technique there. That is, you no need to compile multiple Java files, each Java file separately. There is a small technique. Observe. How many Java files are here? So many. Java C, there is an option. Single line you can type Java A.Java, B.Java. In a single line, you can mention multiple Java file names. Then whatever the Java file names you have given, those Java files one by one compiler will compile. Compiler go to A.Java file, finished .class file generated. Going to B.Java file, going to B.Java file, compile, generated B.class file. Get that? Sir, why C.class came? Oh, somewhere in A.Java or B.Java file, that C.Java may be there. Maybe not saved properly. Okay, now? Only two classes created, A.class and B.class. Sir, if I wanted to compile 100 classes, I should write 100 classes in the single line. Then how much time it will take, sir? Okay, good. Not required. Look at here. Java C, there is a shortcut. Star.Java. What's the shortcut? Star.Java. What the meaning of star.Java? Compile a file, ends with .java file, any name. Java C, any name .java. All .java files will be compiled. అరే యార్ ఒరే బాబు ఏంట్రా మీరు సిఎస్సి బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ స్టూడెంట్స్ వాట్ హ్యాపెన్ టు యువర్ రే I told you he is the most dangerous person. He don't listen my statements what I am telling. He is the biggest mad fellow. Today only he started replying. I didn't see his name earlier. We can import package and compile anta. Where did I use package ray? Babu Mihi, you are a boy or girl? Girl? Boy? Amma is a boy only, not girl. Thank you. No, generally girls are not that much dummy fellows, I know. Okay, girls one time if I say they will listen and follow. Boys only the dangerous fellows. Maybe he's in full hangover mode. Java hangover. Maybe fully in Java hangover mode, okay? Java hangover. Come on, decrease. Remove that previous Java. Follow the class. Did you observe? Java C star.java means, star means what? Any name .java. In the current directory Java basics, all classes available in this, all Java files available in this folder will be compiled. Okay, that is the one option. I given you two options. First option is what? Java file names you mentioned separately like this. Number two, all if you want star dot. One more syntax is there, observe. Java C, in place of star, I don't want to compile all classes. I want to compile the classes whose name starts with E. Then what do you write? E star. Start with E, ends with any name. Then to get there, only 2 or 3 class Java files compiled. Escape sequence dot class, first program dot class, example dot Java file. All are catching my point? Next. First option is individual Java files. Second option is star.java. Third option is starts with pattern, okay. Then one more option there. I hope you already realized that option, okay. I hope you got realized that option. What is that? Anybody can? Java C start with E, now ends with E. The Java files whose name ends with E will be compiled. Look at there, ends with E, dot before E must be there. Yeah, name char remove.java, example.java, char sequence.java, 3 Java files, 3 dot class files must come. You even understand that? Next, now you can also use the pattern star E star dot Java. What the meaning of star E star dot Java? Means this E anywhere available, either at the beginning or in the middle or at end, anywhere, but A must be there. I mean E must be there. A.Java, B.Java, C.Java not compiled. Char is written E, display file E, display name E, escape E, example E, name E, name E, name E, name E, name E. Except ABC, all are compiled. Okay? Yeah. Another CSE background student came. Most dangerous people. Sir, star feature available from which version, sir? What a beautiful question. Huh? When I am telling this pattern, they are not thinking what the next pattern I can. They are come up with which version. A version in which version this concept is coming, what is the problem? Maybe 1, maybe 2, maybe 10, maybe 14, maybe coming in future. In which version if it came, why you are worrying? You need to worry what the next pattern I can go. You are the great people. Your batch is the most dangerous batch. I am expecting 0 success. Okay? I'm expecting 0 success. What is E, sir? I'm confused. Please explain. Na? So I hope you understand. I never ever face these types of questions in my entire 16 years of life. 16 years of life, I never ever faced. That's why 4 o'clock time is coming to start your class. I am getting chichu. You know, legs and hands are shivering like anything. Okay? Remaining all batches, I am waiting. All batches, I am waiting when the time will come. Okay? To come to your class, 4 o'clock and getting shiver, BP. Now these people, how to handle these people? Okay? What I am trying to tell, they don't listen. They don't concentrate. They will deviate, go to someplace. Okay, Nana Buji, all the people got clarity? Yeah? Okay, what are the questions? Let me go back to the questions sheet. Inside a single Java file, how many public classes can we create? Multiple. One public class. One public class. How can we create multiple public classes? Okay, we have to create multiple Java files. Can we compile multiple Java files at a time? Yes. What are the different ways to compile multiple Java files? Option number one, each Java file we have to specify with a space separator. Option number two, star.java. Star means any name.java. E star.java means compile Java file whose name starts with E. Star E.java means compile Java file, compile all Java files whose name ends with E. Next, star E star.java means compile all Java files whose name contains E, either at the beginning or at end or in the middle or anywhere. Okay, so these are the different patterns we will follow. Now you must ask me a question, sir, All these patterns are following. All these patterns are following on a particular character, sir, E. But I have 50 classes to compile whose names are completely different, sir. Then what to do? What to do? You must follow first process. Look at there, A to B, any pattern is there? If I write star, not only A and B, all other classes will be compiled. If I write A star, only A.Java. If I write star A, only A. Star, only A.Java. If you want to compile multiple Java files whose name not matching, even single character also not matching, then what to do? You must follow the first process. Java C, A.Java, B.Java. Hey, if you follow this approach, if I want to compile some 200 classes every day, then typing 200 classes every day, my God, my fingers will be damaged. Then is there any other alternative? Yes. Okay, there is a syntax, that is Java C following by one file name you should mention. Are you catching my point? Java C, one file name you have to mention. In this file, you must type all the classes, whatever you want to compile. All the 200 class names you are there, na Java file name, all you have to type. First, you must create file name, na. Let me create the file. Create the file. Open Notepad. Open Notepad. Here, I am typing a.java, c.java, example.java, example.java, escape, name in 2 lines.java. What are the Java files you wanted to compile? Those file names you mention. And then next, okay, take some other Java file name. Randomly you pick. Okay. Okay. Cat is written Java. Okay, here I want to take b.java and char is written .java. Okay, and then after typing all your Java file names one in one line, one Java file in one line. No, sir, all Java files I'll write in single line. Then give the space as separate. Then now I am saving this file, any name, your wish, but the name should be easy understandable, na? For that, I'm writing src files.txt. Okay, na? src means source files.txt. Any name you can take, okay? There is no objection with the name. Then save. Got clarity? Yeah? Now look at that. src files.txt saved. I am deleting all .class files. Now go back to command prompt. What is the file name? I have to give file name as src files.txt. Babu Bujji. What the meaning of the syntax? Compiler throw error. Compiler is telling that compiler, please compile the .txt file extension. It will throw error. Compiler can compile only .java files extension. You must inform to compiler, don't compile this text file, compile the Java files available in this text file. Then what do you write here? At the rate Java C at the rate src files.txt. Run. Look at there. Okay, .java file name is wrong there. I have to correct it. 2 lines. Yes. If any mistake is there, it will not generate any .class files. Once again, all I will type. First, Java C A.Java, B.Java. Then next, star.java. Next, star.java, star.java. Star.java. The next, src files.txt. Let me delete all these .class files. Now compile. Look at there, only those dot class files came now. A dot class, B dot class, char is written, find a first program, example.java first program, name in 2 lines.java. I hope you all understood all these syntaxes. So requesting you all take the screenshot and you must practice in your home. Okay, so these are all the points you need to practice. Then only you can remember. Okay, if you not practice, okay, you will not understand. Okay, so I hope today we have completed 35 questions. Okay, remaining questions are small questions, but need to understand tomorrow. Yeah, should be in the same folder. SRC file must be in the same folder where .java files are available. Current directory. Compiler. Java.lang package will add by compiler, not by JVM. JVM only execute, it doesn't do any accessing. Yeah, Fatima, open your system. I am, can you speak? Fatima,